Welcome to the chopping block, where brands send their leather products in exchange for my unfiltered opinion. These are Shebley's classic Chelsea boots. My first impressions of this boots, it came in a really nice box. It is a nice hand finish on it. I'm thinking it's an alcohol opening up after the shoe is finished, so it's a handwork, definitely. It was very heavy at the first glance, and I realized they send it with the shoe trees inside, which also feels premium. The bottom has a world map on it. Again, leather soles, very high quality looking, sharp shoes, and we're gonna see how good they are. So since I'm suspecting this is alcohol finish, the last step of the shoe, I'm gonna apply some alcohol to see if I can open it up a little bit. Probably I don't have the right type of alcohol, so I wasn't able to remove the stain. Man, these nicely done shoes are really some effort taking to take apart. So it's time for my tea break to catch my breath. That's a good sign. Test it. So applying acetone on the upper leather to see what type of finish is this. Yeah, this is pretty much aniline. I don't see much stuff coming off. This is like the wax. Yeah, there's no layers or films on it. As we already know, this is a raw chrome tan cow leather, hand painted in a yellow tone, and then stained with a black surface dye. Then it's opened up with alcohol. As you see, the black dye is not fixed, it's movable with solvents. That's how the marbly, the look is given on the shoe after it's made into a shoe. Definitely a very high grade calf skin. Yeah, I can tell from the grains now, this is calf, a pretty good one. Now the inner lining, shoe lining, is also claimed to be calf skin, and it seems like it's like a Napa finish. Yeah, so as you see, the pigments crumbling up, which is very typical. You need the leather that is color stable inside, so these pigment finishes are stable enough so it doesn't hopefully transfer too much on your socks in your fancy shoes. This is the pigment finish on top of it. I've seen many brands, when it's the shoe lining side, they go lower grade because nobody sees it, and this is an exceptional selection for using in the lining side of the shoe. Given my $35 leather estimate for this shoe, the price tag of $665, there is quite a bit of premium in that price, in my opinion. This is definitely the best leather shoe inspection I have done. All the leather selections are exceptional. The upper, the inner lining, the sole, the craftsmanship is impeccable. It took a long time to take apart the shoe, a lot of effort, very well done, inside out, carefully selected materials. I cannot find anything from a quality standpoint that I can pick on. Probably the best shoe I have ever inspected in this show so far. Again, if you're into high-end shoes, hand paint, hand stained shoes of this sort, the price may be justifiable for you. definitely you're getting something really, really good.